At some point in the next few years, a strange divide is going to appear. On one side will be people still trading time for money. On the other side will be people who quietly built income systems using AI. Same internet, same tools. Completely different outcomes. Because for the first time in history, one person can run what used to require an entire team. Writing, design, marketing, research, even product creation. But here's the part most people miss. AI doesn't automatically create income. It creates leverage. And the people who understand how to turn that leverage into digital assets will be the ones building passive income businesses in the background. In this video, I'll show you 10 AI tools that can help you start building a passive income business in 2026. It's 11:38 p.m. Your laptop is still open. Not because you love working late, but because you're doing the math again. Salary minus rent, minus groceries, minus subscriptions you forgot you had, and somehow, despite working full-time, the numbers still feel tight. You scroll social media for a minute to disconnect. And that's when you see it. Someone claiming they built a passive income business with AI, selling digital products, running automated content pages, generating income while they sleep. At first, it sounds like internet nonsense. But then you notice something strange. The same pattern keeps showing up. Different creators, different industries, but the same underlying thing. AI tools quietly replacing the work that used to require entire teams, designers, writers, editors, marketers, all compressed into software subscriptions that cost less than dinner. Which leads to a simple question most people don't ask. Not whether AI will replace jobs, but whether AI has already lowered the barrier to building small income systems that used to be impossible alone. Because the real shift in 2026 isn't AI replacing people. It's AI replacing friction. And when friction disappears, business models change. Today we're going through 10 AI tools that are quietly enabling individuals to build small passive income systems. Not overnight riches. Not internet fantasy. Just simple digital businesses that run with far less effort than most people think. Passive income requires one of three things: money, an audience, or years of experience. And 10 years ago, that was mostly true. Building digital businesses required specialized skills. You needed designers to create products, writers to produce content, developers to build websites, editors to produce videos, marketing teams to distribute them. Each step created friction, which meant only a small percentage of people ever built online income streams. But AI quietly collapsed most of those barriers. Today a single person can generate product ideas, marketing copy, digital designs, content scripts, social media posts, or entire websites in a matter of hours. That doesn't mean the work disappears, but the effort per output drops dramatically. Which is why we're starting to see something unusual. Individuals running digital businesses that previously required small teams. The opportunity isn't that AI does everything for you. The opportunity is that AI handles the heavy lifting, and you focus on the decisions. Let's walk through the tools that make that possible. Tool 1: ChatGPT, Idea Generation Plus Business Models. The first tool is the obvious one. ChatGPT. Not just for writing, but for thinking. One of the hardest parts of building any business is the idea stage. People get stuck asking, what should I sell? But AI dramatically speeds up idea validation. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT to generate a niche digital product ideas, content business models, micro SaaS ideas, affiliate site structures. In minutes you can generate dozens of potential businesses. Not all will work, but the idea generation bottleneck disappears. Instead of staring at a blank page, you start with momentum. Tool 2: Canva AI, Digital Product Creation. The second tool removes another major barrier: design. In the past, creating digital products like planners, templates, or ebooks required design skills. Today, Canva AI handles most of that work. You can generate digital planners, Notion templates, social media templates, printable products, LED magnets. Entire Etsy stores are now built using AI-assisted design. And once a digital product is created, the math becomes interesting. A planner that sells $4.09. Selling just 5 copies per day generates about $1,600 per month. From one product. The key isn't creating one perfect product. It's creating many small assets. Tool 3: Midjourney. Next is Midjourney, an AI image generator, which opens an entire category of digital businesses. People are using AI art to create printable wall art, stock images, coloring books, t-shirt graphics, children's book illustrations. These assets are then sold on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and Amazon KDP. Again, the business model is simple. Create once. Sell repeatedly. The difference now is that creating the visuals no longer requires traditional artistic skills. AI generates them in seconds. Tool 6. Durable AI website creation. Another traditional barrier was building websites that required developers or complex tools like WordPress. Durable AI can generate a full website in under a minute. Business sites, portfolio pages, landing pages, affiliate sites, which means someone can launch an online business without touching code. The infrastructure barrier disappears. Tool 7. Jasper AI marketing copy. Once products exist, they still need marketing. That's where Jasper AI comes in. It generates sales pages, product descriptions, email campaigns, or ad copy. Marketing used to require professional copywriters. Now AI creates strong starting points instantly. You still refine the message, but the blank page disappears. Tool 8. Notion AI, system automation. Passive income businesses aren't just about creation. They require organization. Notion AI helps build automated systems, content calendars, product pipelines, affiliate tracking dashboards, workflow management. Instead of scattered documents and spreadsheets, everything runs through one organized system. An organized system scale. Tool 9. Opus Clip, short-form content automation. Distribution is often the hardest part of business, not creation. That's why Opus Clip has become powerful. It automatically turns long videos into short viral clips. These clips are optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, which dramatically increases content reach. Instead of producing more content, you repurpose what already exists. Tool 10. Gumroad, digital product monetization. Finally, you need somewhere to sell. That's where Gumroad becomes important. Handles product delivery, payment processing, affiliate programs, email capture. Which means creators can sell digital products globally without building complicated e-commerce infrastructure. The backend becomes simple. The hidden math most people miss. Here's the interesting part. None of these tools individually create massive wealth, but combined, they create systems. For example, a single creator could run one faceless YouTube channel, one Etsy digital product store, one affiliate website, each generating a modest income. Let's say, YouTube, $1,000 per month digital products, $1,500 per month affiliate site, $1,200 per month. That's $3,700 per month. Not from one big business, but from several small systems. And that's where AI changes things. It allows one person to operate multiple income streams. Two different futures. Imagine two people starting in 2026. Both earn similar salaries. Both work similar hours. The first person relies entirely on their job. Every dollar they earn is tied to time. The second person slowly builds small digital assets. A digital product, a YouTube channel, a niche website. Each one starts small. But over 10 years those assets compound. Not through investment returns, but through digital leverage. The difference between the two lives isn't effort. It's ownership. One person sells time. The other slowly accumulates systems. Practical framework. If you want to start using AI tools for passive income, keep the approach simple. First, pick one business model. Digital products, content channels, affiliate websites. Second, use AI to reduce production time. Let AI handle design it and formatting, draft writing. Focus your energy on ideas and strategy. Third, build assets slowly. One product, one video per week, one article. Over time these accumulate. Fourth, automate everything possible. Scheduling, email capture, product delivery. Automation turns effort into systems. Finally, stay consistent. Passive income rarely appears quickly, but systems compound faster than people expect.